right, Padlet's another awesome feature that's been around for a while, but it's doing some really cool things in 2018. So let's check out the new updates. Well, you can make a Padlet. And before, it used to just be a one way to organize Canvas. Now you can organize by stream. You can make it a grid or a wall so it's a little more organized. Or what I'm really into right now is the shelf. This is where you create topics and then your students can put information or post under different topics. So if you wanted to do a KWL, here's a great way to get them posting what they know, what they want to know, and what they've learned afterwards. Now, once you select how you're going to organize your shelf, you can make it pretty and customize that, which is a lot of fun. I'm just going to say test right here. This looks fun. Then I will go down to how people can comment. So this collaboration piece is new as well. So allow people to comment, allow people to react. This is really, really fun. So you can grade it yourself. You can have them give it stars or rate your friends. The students can rate their friends. They can vote up or down, or they can like. So again, you can only choose currently one of those features, but it's really, really nice because this makes it more interactive. And it also gives students incentive to post more details or be more thoughtful with their posts. Then when you click next here, this is where you can share it out. You most likely want students to be able to read. You can invite them via email, or you can do the easy thing and just get the URL. And students can start posting pretty easily. So super easy, super fast to set up. And again, those new features are really, really exciting because it gives you, the teacher, more options to utilize this tool as best as how it's going to best impact your discussion and your classroom.